completely.
But the Honorable High Court has said that the rule is not given in the earlier round of litigation.
Even if you challenge it now, Supreme Court has settled it. We can't look into it.
That has already
Grateful, extremely grateful.
Lord, item 38, Lord, your Lordship's transfer, the 62 to 65 years issues, Lord. Lord, some cases have not been transferred, Lordship, on the last day in one of the cases of my colleague, Lord, had Lord, can they be listed on Monday with the matters, Lord, which have not been, because I've received instructions to appear.
You have a list?
Lord, at least one of them in which I have been instructed to appear from Indore has not been transferred, Lord. I am not aware of the others.
Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that some of the petitions, pending petitions pertaining to the same issue have not yet been transferred.
Yeah.
The registry is directed to examine, to call for the registrar is directed to call for a report from the other two benches with regard to similar matters pending before the benches and list those petitions also along with this petition.
Lord, there is a retirement due of some petitioner, my Lord, this month. Can it be on Monday, Tuesday, my Lord, Wednesday?
In any case, even if it declares, government is not going to do it by 31st of October.
My Lord, he stands retired otherwise, my Lord, but for the Lordship passing some interim order.
31st July.
In all the cases, there are interim orders, my Lord. All. This was one of the fresh cases, my Lord, where...
Whatever, their retirement will be subject to...
My Lord, then it goes, my Lord. Lordship will list it next week, my Lord.
We can't. Next week is not possible. The registry will have to call for report. They'll have to...
Lord, there is only one case. One case, my Lord.
One case you are aware of. We don't know how many more are there. When there is a direction, they'll call for a report. It's on 9th September. Thanks to the Vodian already.
That's my most humbly
10th September.
May I most humbly request only that serial number 38, my lords. My lords will just see the last order sheet of my lords only on 31st of July. That was the only difficulty, and why my lords kept it for today is because I'll be retiring this month on 30th.
In the meantime, retirement of petitioners, if any, before the next date of hearing shall be subject to further orders to be passed by this court. Superannuation of petitioners who are completing the age of 60. Completing the age of 60?
62.
62.
62. For the allopathic, it's 60.
Before the next date of hearing shall be subject to further orders to be passed in the petitions.
Lord, in this case, I have moved an application, Lord, but a very short synopsis had been filed by me. Having only 4 dates, Lord, the petition was discussed on a very fundamental ground of maintainability. It has not been adjudicated on merits at all because it was held that the appellant herein, my Lord, is a society which has already been deregistered, and after deregistration, it does not exist in the IF. That aspect was...
What is your application, Mr. Lala?
My application, my Lord, is for the beginning of this time, Lord, because I am the leaseholder.
Pending since December.
But I am the leaseholder, Lord.